Welcome students to this class of biostatistics and quantitative management. Today we will be studying the correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is denoted by small r and it is a mathematical measure of correlation between two variables x and y. So how is correlation coefficient defined? Correlation coefficient r is defined as covariance of xy divided by root of variance of x into root of variance of y. So this COV stands for covariance and VAR stands for variance. So variance, root of variance of x and root of variance of y is defined as standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y respectively. So the formula becomes covariance of xy divided by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. So how is covariance defined? Actually, to measure covariance, we calculate the deviations of the individual values of x from the mean of x. So individual values and the difference between the mean is taken and it is multiplied by the individual values and difference from mean of values of y. These two multiplication is done. First the difference is taken in both and these two multiplication is done, and after we do it for all the variables, they are added, and after that we divide it by the number of observations. N is equals to the number of observations. And we know the definition of sigma x. Sigma x is standard deviation of x. It is root mean squared deviation of x. So it is the deviations of the individual values of the variables of x from the mean of x, which is squared and added and divided by the number of observations, then a square root is taken. So this is standard deviation of x and this is standard deviation of y. When we put the values of covariance, standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y in this formula, we get this as the formula. So putting these values, formula, we get this formula. And after simplification of this formula, what we get is that the r is equals to standard deviation of r is equals to n into sigma x y minus sigma x sigma y divided by root of n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into root of n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. So this formula is used for ungrouped data where we get the individual values of x and y, and by directly calculating these we can find out the correlation coefficient. Thank you.